Hey folks, welcome to the farm. I'm Farmer Joe. I'm your farmer. And I want to tell you about our CSA. A CSA stands for Community Sustainable Agriculture. It's a subscription system where people sign up to get a basket of vegetables every week from the farm. And these are vegetables that we grow here. We've been farming for over 12 years with my wife and our son. And we've got a team about 8 employees that we work with to produce. Really, our goal, we have an expression here, it's mind-blowing quality. That's what we tell our staff. We tell our staff, like when they're harvesting and when they're washing, we want them to think, is this mind-blowing quality? That is the standard that we set for ourselves, and it's reflected in our products, and it's reflected in the experience that our clients have. And our clients are amazing. I mean, these are people who care about what they eat. These are people who care about the earth and the planet and the local community. These are people who love coming out to the farm, who love the experience of stepping out of the city. I mean, we are literally 10 minutes from downtown Ottawa, and yet you come out here and you're on the farm. It's like going to the grocery store, except you come out feeling vitalized, revitalized, and energized, and peaceful, and calm, and the product is just another level, right? It has nothing to do with what's in the grocery store in terms of quality, in terms of flavor. This is what people tell me. People say, one guy, Jim, he tells me, oh yeah, I always used to be nostalgic for the cherry tomatoes of my grandfather's garden when I was a kid, but not anymore now that I've tasted your tomatoes. And I'm like, wow, my tomatoes beat your grandfather's tomatoes? Let's not tell your grandfather about that one. So anyway, I'm ranting now, but join our CSA. Our CSA, basically, you can get veggies every week. You can get them every other week. You can choose your frequency, basically, because we really have designed the most flexible CSA possible. Often in certain CSAs, you're constrained to coming and picking up just a box of veggies at a certain time. Well, not here. We sat down and we said, well, what would we do if we designed a CSA really with the client in mind? And so when you show up at the CSA drop-off, it's actually at the farm store. It's a hybrid system. So you show up and there's a big board and it says, this week in your basket, you get blah, 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 blah. You get a bunch of choices. It'll say, choose one item from list A, 2 items from list B, 3 items from list C. I'm just making this up at this point, but you get the idea is that there's flexibility. If you like big beets, you can take big beets. If you like little beets, you take little beets. If you don't like beets at all, take something else. And that's the flexibility that we've designed in terms of what you get. And then in terms of when you can come anytime during our opening hours, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So whatever fits into your schedule. If you're away on vacation, there's no problem. You just tell us when you sign up for your CSA how many weeks of vacation you want, and you don't even have to tell us when you're going to be gone. You just don't come, and we manage things on our end, you manage things on your end, and we're all good. So those are some of the ways that we've really focused on creating a very flexible experience. So we've got quality, we've got flexibility, and we've got the experience, right? Of coming to the farm, of having, if you have kids, bring your kids out. We have events, we have activities, we're setting up a picnic area. This year is a big year of transformation at the farm. We're moving the farm store into the barn, and then the whole space in the yard, we're gonna be transforming it into a playscape. So hopefully by fall, we'll have a play set and a picnic area. And our goal is that this is really a destination where you and your family come to just get grounded and to get nourished and fed, both in terms of food, but also just in terms of your soul and your spirit and getting out of the city a little bit. So we'd love to see you at the farm. Sign up for our CSA. Our spring prices are active, are relevant until May 1st. On May 1st, we'll increase our prices for summer. So if you're thinking about signing up for a CSA, now is the time to do it. Head on over to our website, ottawafarmfresh.com. It's very simple. If you have any questions, send us an email, and we can even set up a time. If you have a lot of questions, we'll set up a time to talk on the phone, and we'll get you hooked up with some excellent veggies. If this is a little bit outside your budget, don't worry. We have an accessibility fund. Our goal is that this is accessible to everyone, regardless of your income level. And so that information is available on the website too, accessibility fund. And if you'd like to donate to that fund, you'll be prompted to do so, on the website when you're checking out for your CSA. So that's it. And I look forward to seeing you at the farm, and see you later.